Tamari beginners, ages 10 to 12. We have 47 total dancers in this category.
Okay, so we have dancer number 90, 67, number 73, number 88, number 72, and number 68.
All right, judges ready?
Okay, thank you, ladies. Please face the judges and make sure that your numbers are visible.
Good, judges? Maruru? Okay, ladies, follow Auntie off the stage. All right, we'll bring out our next group. Moving on, ages 10 to 12, Tamari. It's beginner level.
Number 66, 93, number 78, number 75, number 82, number 99.
All right, judges ready.
Okay, thank you, ladies. Please face forward and make sure that your numbers are visible to the judges. Thank you, ladies. You may now exit. Round of applause for our dancers, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Marudu, you can exit the stage.
All right, then we'll bring on our next group.
Just a reminder, guys. Oh, sorry, John.
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
We do have shirts. We have Keep It Aida shirts available over there. At this table right near the entrance. You see this shirt that I'm wearing? It's not one of them. It's the black shirts right over there. They are for sale, so please make sure you visit that table. We have number 101, number 83, 109, 107, 92, and number 70.
All right, judges ready? Make sure the judges can see your numbers. All right, we're good, judges? Maruru ladies, hold on one second. All right, we're good? Okay, Maruru ladies, follow Auntie off the stage. We'll bring out our next group of dancers. Tamari, ages 10 to 12, beginners.
We have number 112, number 105, there you go, 103, number 69, number 97, number 102 on the floor.
Judges ready?
judges.
All right, ladies, thank you very much. Follow Anthony off the stage. I will bring out our next group. Tamari, ages 10 to 12, beginners.
Okay, so on the floor, ladies and gentlemen, dancer number 108, 111, number 74, and dancer number 106 and number 81. Okay, ladies, make sure you face the judges and your numbers are visible.
All right, Marudu ladies. Thank you. I will bring out our next group. Beginner Tamari, ages 10 to 12.
All right, on the floor, ladies and gentlemen, dancer number 77, number 95, 89, 104, number 84, and number 333. sure your numbers are visible.
Maruru ladies, thank you very much. Follow Auntie off the stage. Alright, if you want a commemorative shirt for the 37th Tiki Night at the Heat Effect, they're selling shirts over there. By
With your lips, John, over there.
the left corner. Over there.
Over there, over
You know? They had my t-shirt, but they ran out of backdrop, so it's hanging back up. So, but go ahead, we'll bring out our next group of beginner, Tamari, ages 10 to 12.
On the floor, ladies and gentlemen, number 79, number 94, number 91, number 96, and number 110.
All right, judges ready? Make sure the judges can see your numbers. Please face forward. We're good, judges. Maruru ladies, please follow Auntie off the stage. Just want to let you know we have vendors on the opposite building of us. We got JG Photography, Island Inspired Crafts and Gifts, Vintage Surf, Golden Road, Mango Fix, the Noni Company. Just to name a few, just make sure you check out our vendors on the opposite building. We'll bring out our next group of Tamari beginners, ages 10 to 12.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the floor at this time, dancer number 80, 80, number 86, number 76, and number 98.
make sure your face forward and the judges can see your number. Judges, that is the last group for our Tamari ages 10 to 12 beginners. All right, Maruru ladies, please follow Auntie. Also on the opposite entrance, which is to my right, we have